Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at the instrument bezel for the 65 to 66 F100 custom cabs. If you have a 65 or 66 custom cab, chances are the original instrument bezel is faded, broken, or has had modifications made to it. Dennis Carpenter has a brand new bezel for these trucks made right here in the USA. Authentically reproduced, these bezels are injection molded from high quality plastic compounds and chrome plated just like the originals. Each bezel features the correct white lettering printed on a clear background, as well as the correct textured finish on the chrome face. This only fits custom cab models and will not fit the standard cab truck with the metal bezel. For this or other quality parts for your F100, visit dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.